There's so many stars tonight.
Did you get ripped out of bed or what? Nah, I'm ready to roll. No piss on your hand.
It's not New Year's.
It's alright, whatever.
Got 4 minutes.
There's a lot of premature ejaculation going on here.
Got 4 minutes.
11:56.
Yeah, this is the pre-show, the build-up.
Yep, they always do fireworks before.
Like, calm down.
Here come the fire
Don't
brigade. Taking heaps of photos, you'll love it. We should have done that.
Someone's getting it on in the bushes.
What?
Listen to the music.
I'll just put my phone up there.
That's a nice one.
I wonder if we're like doing fireworks over there.
Never had a phone.
Usually the best ones like are over there because you know.
Yeah, with the city.
Oh wow, that was a good one.
Was it?
Hey, the music was big.
Claire, turn the music up, mate.
There they go. Ooh.
Claire, go and get the speaker.
Shut up.
Gonna walk, but she's in
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Is there anyone on the beach?
Yeah.
Well, obviously.
People's in that store. They're gonna be 2.5 minutes.
Oh, that's so good. You see the photo? Jesus.
Where's the city?
Over there, mate.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Those lights over there.
All of them.
Those big lights over there.
They're over this way soon.
Yeah. And you said don't believe me.
Lots of things.
Don't believe me, mate.
Oh, what? I'm dating shit.
Yeah. Who wants to go for a sprint?
I want to go for a flounder.
That is a. That's a.
That's a drone.
I think it's about to drop home.
Got about 1 minute.
Yeah.
Got 1 minute.
No, it's not. Oh,
Yeah.
1 minute.
1 minute.
How long?
Less than a minute.
How long? How long? Does it say on your watch?
This is a little bit behind. Like only a couple of seconds though. Less than a minute.
Dishes broken.
I've already drinking like another like
No.
5 beers. Oh, Evo died! What's...
Brody, run away. You've got two. You've got 2 kids. Just keep running.
What time is it, Con?
You get less burn, eh?
Oh nice. Alright, is someone gonna let
It's not even 12 o'clock yet! It's not even 12 o'clock! Yeah, it's midnight! Yeah, it's midnight.
Now it's been.
Yeah, it's midnight. Looks like something bad is happening over there.